हॅलो फ्रेंड, आज आपण न्यूट्रलायझेशन टायट्रेशन हा पॉईंट्स क्लासिकल मेथड ऑफ ॲनालिसिस ह्या टॉपिकमधून पाहणार आहोत. इन दिस द फर्स्ट पॉईंट दॅट इज द concept of pH and its importance in neutralization titration. The pH scale, it is widely used to quantitative measurement of acidity and or basicity of the solution. Therefore, the pH is defined as pH is equal to log base 10 1 upon concentration of H plus ion. Therefore, the pH is equal to minus log of concentration of H plus ion. Thermodynamically, pH is defined as thermodynamically pH is defined as pH is equal to minus log of activity of H plus ions. However, except ideal condition, activity can be replaced by molar concentration. Therefore, the all practical purpose pH is equal to minus log of concentration of H plus ions. Here the concentration of H plus ion indicate the concentration of acidic proton present in the solution. That is, concentration of acidic proton present in the solution. Normally, the proton is present in the form of hydronium ion, that is, it is present in the form of H3O positive ions. Therefore, similarly to pH, we can also define it as POH scale, where the POH is equal to minus log into concentration of OH minus ion. Therefore, the concentration of H plus ion into concentration of H plus ion and concentration of OH minus ion are connected by the relationship between concentration of H plus ions and concentration of OH minus ions. That is, the concentration of H plus ion into concentration of OH minus ions is equal to Kw. That is, Kw is ionic product of the water. Ionic product of water. It is constant at given temperature, that is 25 degrees Celsius, and its value close to 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 14. Therefore, pH plus pOH is equal to 14 at 25 degrees Celsius. The neutralization titration are those titration in which acid gets neutralized by giving salt and water molecules. In the first example, general reactions of neutralization titration can be written as like in acid-base titrations, the acid start getting neutralized by the continuous addition of base, like these are the acid molecules and these base molecules. At the time of titrations, the acid getting neutralized by the addition of base. During this process, there is continuous increase in the pH of the solutions. At the time of titrations, the pH of the solution continuously increases by addition of base into the acid solutions. As the as the end points approach, the pH start increasing more rapidly around the end points. There is maximum change in the pH of the solutions. Therefore, the determination of pH continuously during the course of titration is a very conveniently way of determining equivalence point of neutralization titration, as well as then the next point from the neutralization titration, that is end point and equivalence point. Equivalence point of neutralization titrations. The first one, that is end point. When neutralization titration is studied using acid and base indicator, as reaction between acid and base is just completed, there is a rapid and sharp change in color of the solution. In the end point, there is sharp, rapid change in color of solution, change in color of solution. This point at which color of the solution changes rapidly, indicating completion of reactions. That is, the change in sharp and rapidly color of the solution, this indicate completion of the reaction between acid and base, is called as end point of the titration. The end point is obtained when the progress of titration is monitored using external acid base indicator. It is the end point of the titration can be determined by using acid base indicator. By using acid base indicator, we can easily determine the pH of the solutions, neutralization titration. Then next point, second, that is equivalence point. Equivalence point of neutralization titration. The equivalence point of the titration is at which the reaction between acid and base is stoichiometrically complete. Is stoichiometrically complete. stoichiometrically complete the reaction. The equivalence point of titration cannot be exactly determined using usual indicators. It can be determined by using instrumental methods like potentiometric, conductometric, or photometric titrations. Potentiometric, conductometric, or photometric titrations. There is always small difference between end point and equivalence point of the titration. Therefore, the difference is known as titration errors. These errors cannot be completely eliminated. However, it can be minimized to acceptable level by proper choice of acid base indicator.